Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be walking around the graveyard. So it's going to take us about a couple minutes, about 5-6 minutes, but we're going to film it. So y'all guys, we've been hearing I don't know, but loud noises over here, and we just decided to film it. So, yeah, let's walk. Yeah, it's from under the ground. It sounds like it's from under the ground, guys. I don't know what if it's right there. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's a really loud noise. It's not doing it no more right now, though. See? We hear it now. You might not be able to hear it, but we can really good.
And I got a weapon for us.
Yeah.
I got a blade.
It's a blade.
Sharp blade.
You might want to put it back in there though. The thing. So you don't drop your nuts. Okay. Let's do the whole thing. Let's run, dude. Let's run. I'm down for running. Are you down? To run in all this?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Hold on, no, because then we turn for that way.
Yeah, from that. There's a bird coming from that way, so.
Dude. Sounds like it's coming from that coffin.
I'm running.
Well, hey, we'll let you free to come out.
I'm running, dude. My gosh. That's so stupid. Gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. I don't know if you could hear that, but.
Oh my gosh.
If you could hear that, but.
Sounds like it's coming from
Guys.
house over there.
But. Me and him are good. I don't know if you can see his face, but. We'll be able to see it when we get back at the house. We don't see nothing, but. It gets louder when you go over there for some reason, though.
Coming from
That direction. We really don't know what it is, guys.
we really do not.
I'm ready. For real, dude. I stream on Mixer, Fortnite. I play Fortnite a lot, but I don't play here.
You want to see the weapon that we got?
Here, this is the weapon that we have. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there we go. It can cut rocks. Well, it can't really, but it can cut clay. My sister uses it to cut clay. Yeah. And Play-Doh and stuff. But if I was you, I wouldn't take it out. Wow. Because if you fell on that thing, you would have been gone. So put it back in there. Put it back in there.
No, dude,
Put it back in there. You don't see nothing.
Is that even louder when we came down here?
It was way louder when we was coming down here, though.
I keep on hearing something wrong.
Dude,
nobody's over there.
Nobody's over there, and then there's just plants rolling. I really don't know what it is.
But dude, it sounds like somebody's hitting a metal wall trying to get out. Can we go back?
I'm not down.
I'm not down to go back.
Me neither.
I want to stay and see who it is and see what it is.
Yeah, that's what I like. I just don't like when you hear it. I mean, all you're like, I just heard like a scream.
Yeah.
Maybe we shouldn't. Okay.
Maybe we shouldn't even came here in the first.
Yeah, but I just wanted our viewers to see it.
Yeah. Guys, make sure you subscribe and
Give this video a thumbs up. Comment if you think we should come back. Comment if you think we should, like, just get up early in the morning and just come in here and stay for like an hour or two while it's just filming. Oh my gosh.
guys, look what we just found.
I don't know if you can see that, but that is. Okay, I think my papa's here. I think that's his truck. No, it's not. This is so bad.
Dude, should we throw this?
I don't know. It could be cursed.
Yeah, let's throw it. I'm gonna throw it far away. Here, hold this.
When we thought, no. I can
Get the fuck away. I need your weapon back.
You just said fuck. You just said a bad word. Okay, guys.
Give me.
No. You said fuck. Make sure you subscribe and follow us.
And hit that bell. And smash that
I stream every Friday. I'll start streaming every Friday.
and make sure you comment
Sometime while
to tell us.
oh yeah, guys.
should come
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy new holidays. It's almost Christmas. Make sure you get presents or I'll slice my head off.
Guys, I'm not lying. Can you see that grape? Can you see grapes? I don't know if you can, but what? Guys, there's a room over there. And I'm here.
Holy cow!
Kitty! Kitty, what are you in there? Kitty? Kitty? Kitty! What?
Your cat?
Yes!
That's your cat?
Yeah! It's okay, baby! Oh my gosh! Where's the
Let's investigate this place.
Let's go, dude. Can you get the cat? Can you get the cat? Wait, what's wrong with the cat? What's wrong, Kitty? Come on. Come on, Kitty. Okay, you hold this. You hold this. Keep on talking to him.
Hey viewers, we're going back to the house because we found his cat and it was in this dungeon and we keep on hearing the noise and it will not stop. And look how fat the cat is. Come on, let's go. This is Ahmed out of here.
I don't know, guys. The cat just ran all the way away from us. Just scratched up my arm. Might be getting close, but guys, oh my gosh. What? I really don't know what happened. But you can see the graveyard.
Yep, that.
We have a van.
I didn't know y'all had a van.
We do. Guys, like what the heck, man? I don't know what the heck happened. What happened?
You see the loud coming?
Yeah, the cat's allowed to come in. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know if you can even hear it, but that was loud. Also, this is the cat what did to me. Doesn't really hurt. Yeah, the cat. Do you know that little place where the cat is? That's where it was.
It's my bro.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
This is the next cat. We cannot stop filming right now, though. I think it's hungry. Come on, kitty. 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 I don't know, but I think the black cat might be over there, too.
What black cat?
We have a black cat, too. I really don't know, like, how the cat got over there. But, you know, never know. I mean, there is, like, just a way through that you can go in.
Yeah, it kept on getting louder and louder and louder. Like we had to run full speed.
What kept getting louder?
The noise. We had to run full speed. Because it kept on getting louder and louder and louder.
I heard it again.
Yes. It was like, and we heard it like a scream. It was like a girl screaming.
Yeah, we also heard a girl screaming. Like, it came from this way. But Alyssa's in the house, so
It would not be her.
it was like a high pitch, and then it got down to a low pitch, and then we didn't hear nothing. Like, it was just complete silence. And then we keep on hearing that boom sound.
And then we heard the cat going, meow.
And we heard the cat go meow, and then
Jacob, to get the cat outside. What have you got?
This for my weapon.
You need to put that back there.
so listen also. The cat has probably been there for a long time, and its belly is like full up.
It's probably not rats.
Yeah, rats or mice. I really don't know. Yeah, we keep on hearing boom sounds, and then we filmed it. We filmed it. It's all on this. We filmed it.
Yeah, and we took the video, and this was
12:11.
Show me. What? Show me. Okay, come on. We gotta go back. She wants to show.
You want to hear it?
She wants to show.
No.
Give me the freaking phone.
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm not leaving you then.
Okay, you don't have to.
Fidget spinner.
It's Maddox's, my brother's.
Jacob,
Yeah.
come put the cat out.
Okay.
It's trying to jump up on me.
He loves you. Come on, kitty. But oh my gosh, there's the black one. Come on. Come on, black one. Kitties.
Rub them a little bit. That's probably what they're wanting to be rubbed.
The kitties are awesome. Kitties. They love to eat.
Lord, I wish I had my tissues more.
Yeah, they love rubbing. They're also hungry.
Well, they're not too hungry. They ain't eating.
They are.
Well, put them just a little bit.
There's not a lot of
Don't put no more. That's enough.
Okay. That's it. I'm not putting no more. We'll go again later so you can like see it better.
Yeah.
But then that time we'll just be he'll be the one that's mostly in the video because I'll just filming it while he's talking and stuff because he like is outside more. I usually play Fortnite more stuff. He does play it, but not as much as me. I play it a lot more because I'm not usually like out and stuff. So we'll make another video of just him going. But
Yeah.
we'll see you later. Peace.